Oh, this is one of those newer Fain ones. Has one of those things. Look. I think that's a floor. Alright, 5. It has buttons for floors that don't exist. Got some elevator music. It's kind of bouncy. One. Oh, look, and it tells you. Next stuff. Oh, look, they're literally just showing pictures of elevators on the screen. That's funny. What is this little animation? Is this an ad or something elevator related? Oh, look, it's an ad. It's an elevator thing. It's a little elevator ad. That's funny. Comfort. That's funny. They got little elevator ads going.